Hello, welcome to techanswer.com. Today we received a question like how to view Chrome history on mobile. So there is already a written answer in this page. If you want this step-by-step procedure what I'm going to show in the video, you can visit this site later. I'll keep the link in the description. So let us open the Chrome mobile browser. Okay, this is the browser. To view the history, click on the three dots at right top corner here, and I'll also show you how you can view the history if you delete the history accidentally. For example, there may be some important site that you used previously, and now if you want to see that again, even though if you delete it, I'll show you the way. Okay, right here at see here history, so click on it. So for example, see here, these are all the sites what I have visited previously. So for example, this is the site what I have visited previously. You can tap on that so that particular website gets opened. See here, click on the three dots and click on history. So as I already said, what if you delete this? Means if you clear this browsing history. For example, if you accidentally click on this clear data, clear, so now I have cleared all my browsing data on Chrome on my mobile. And there is one more way. Even though if we delete it, we can still view. There is a chance here. Open your Chrome browser and browse through google.com and search as my activity. Visit myactivity.google.com and click on sign in. Remember, you need to sign in with the same email ID what you used previously. So mine was okay. See here, now I successfully logged into my email. And to check your Chrome history, tap on these three lines and click on other Google activity. See here, this one. To click on webend activity, manage activity. So click on that manage activity and now scroll down. See here, yesterday I visited google.com 3 times. I used Google search and I visited play.google.com. I visited Instagram, visited Google Play Store. One more item is there. So in this way we can view the Chrome history even though if we delete there at Chrome browser. So for example, as I shown you, if you clear the browsing data also, still there is one chance you may find the Chrome history. So this is how you can view the Chrome history on your mobile. So if you want the step-by-steps in the text format, I wrote an answer at techanswer.com. I'll place the link in the description. If you want, you can read it. Thanks for watching.